Okay, so push. For these bottles, they are already round. I usually keep them in the water for like 12 hours and then it becomes easy to remove the paper. See, it peels easy because they've been in the water for 12 hours. Froscos foscos, que eu estou tentando gravar vídeo. So they peel easily because they've been in the water for 12 hours. And hoje, vai vomitar na rua. Quem é que te manda estar a comer porcarias? Okay, it's very easy to peel them. They are already round. Isto é deixar as garrafas na água 12 horas. Fica fácil de tirar este papel. Senão é difícil. Estas garrafas já são redondas. Não é preciso estar a torná-las lisas. Para estas é assim. Okay, so for these ones I have here a cap in which I put a valve. I just put this there. These ones are easy to remove the sticker. Then I just fill them up with some compressed air, just like filling up a tire. Check. Just a bit of pressure. Once they are like that, pick this up. Grab this and just... Isto é só para tornar a garrafa lisa e tirar os brincos. That's just to make it completely soft and remove the wrinkles in the plastic. Okay, that's how you get the bottle set for cutting. Now there are no more wrinkles and you can cut the bottle. To cut the bottle, I'm gonna show you. I basically printed this part. It has measurements like slots, and I put it on this piece of wood, and here there's a blade. I just attach it to the table, and basicamente aquilo foi uma peça que eu imprimi, meti uma lâmina de XL, tem aqui este ferro. Basically what you do is you cut the bottom of the bottle, try and cut it straight. Alright. Just try and cut it as straight as you can. Then just put it in the cutter and start pulling. At the beginning, usually it's hard. Alright. Once I got it like that, you just gonna try and show you closer. Esta aqui vai ter que ser mesmo metade. You just start pulling the thing and pressing the bottle down so that it cuts the whole bottle, always with the same measurement. And this that happened here doesn't happen, because if that does happen, filament will suck. I find these slots to be too tight. Shit, broke. But that's how you cut the bottle. And you get this strap that then goes to the machine. Sometimes it's hard to cut it always with the same size. I find this to be the hardest part of the whole process. But that's what it is. It is what it is, as they say. I got the thing warming up. And this is the thing that controls the temperature for the heater. And this is the motor. This controls the speed of the motor. This controls forward or reverse. And this is the printed part. And I got everything like that. Just gonna let it warm up and show you that it works. Okay, I'm gonna do this little bit first. This side is thinner because it cut wrong. It's thinner because it cut wrong, so I'll take advantage of that. And yeah, here it's thin as well. This part will suck, but yeah. And this here is not good as well. See, I made this mistake while cutting, and this is no good. So this makes the filament to be uneven, and if it's uneven, then the printer will fail the prints. Yeah, this is just for testing to show you guys. Okay, I got my temperature set to about 85. Once it reaches, let me get this closer. Okay, so once it reaches about 80, I don't know if you see this here. Shit, it's hot. I feed the thing through, then I feed it through this little nozzle, and I pull it. At the beginning, I pull it by hand, like so. And I'm gonna pull it until I can tie it here. I have that set to 86 degrees, I think. I'm gonna pull it further. Okay, I think I have the enough to tie it here, so I'll tie it here. Just make a simple tie, and it will do. And now I just turn the motor on, and the thing starts pulling. I like to keep this little sponge on this side, because this will clean the thing while it goes through the machine. And it broke. Sometimes this happens. Okay, so I just got the thing set. The wire goes through there, starts going there. I can adjust the speed of the motor if I think it's too fast or too slow. For now the filament is going fine. See, set up about 85, 86. And this thing, this is cleaning the thing. That's the part I said which was no good too thin, but it's okay. This is just to show you how it works. This part of the filament is printable, and it starts rolling there. And this is it. That's the whole machine working. These are two pieces which are already done. It's gonna end. That's it. Just stop the motor. Yeah. This always happens. Alright. Now I'm just gonna reverse the motor and pull it to the other side. A lot faster, of course. Okay, got to the end, just cut it, and that's it. Filament for 3D printing. E assim, isto agora vai para a impressora e imprime. Just one thing, this bottle was not dry enough. I didn't let it dry enough because I wanted to make the video. But as you see, even like this, the filament is not bad. Okay, so now I'm doing the clear one. It's starting. 85.5 it shuts down. 85.5, it's set. This is the speed. And check. I always notice that clear, transparent bottles make better filament than the green ones, than the colored ones, basically. But I got that there. And all the going through there and coming back to the machine. And yeah, check the quality of this filament. Check it out. It feeds on this side and it comes out on this side as perfect 3D printing filament. Let's print something. Olha o Froscos, este cachorro. O filamento está pronto, Froscos. Vamos imprimir qualquer coisa. Oh. So the filament is ready. We're gonna try and print something. Froscos. Ok, agora tenho aqui o filamento que o fez com as garrafas, o transparente e o verde. A impressora está a aquecer. Mesmo estas pontas pequenas, está quieto, frouxos. So I got here the filament, the green and the white one. Even these small bits, I keep them because I can print small parts with these. Estas pontas pequenas eu também guardo para peças pequenas e consigo, com isto não, mas com estas, e consigo imprimir. Isto é mais ou menos 1 metro, 1,5 metro. Foi aquela ponta que rolou e consigo imprimir uma peça pequena com isto. I can print small parts with these, so I keep them. I'm just gonna change that's bot PETG. I'm gonna change it. Oh, I usually put these in old spools that I got here. See? Eu normalmente embrulho este filamento que faço nestas bobines antigas, velhas, vazias, e para pôr ali na impressora e para avançar, para imprimir. Isto já foi de uma garrafa. E isto já foi de uma garrafa, mas vamos lá. Esta parte eu vou cortar. There's another one that I'm building. Estou imprimindo mais aquela. Construindo mais aquela impressora, não é imprimindo. Os fruscos. Okay, so now I got here some of that filament I just made. Tenho agora aqui algum daquele filamento que já fez. Tentar imprimir aqui uma peça. Está aqui de fruscos. Vou tirar daqui o PETG. So, to print this filament, I usually set my nozzle to 265 degrees. It needs a lot more heat than the regular PETG or PLA or those you buy. They melt at a lower temperature. This one needs higher temperatures. So, just gonna cut here tip of this to make it easy to feed. Normalmente este filamento precisa de temperatura de 265 graus. O PETG e os outros funcionam com temperaturas mais baixas, 215, 230, o PLA 215. O PETG, aquele Liam 3D 230, 235, mas 230 dá, senão ele ferve. Este precisa de 260 a 265 graus. E este feito de garrafas. A mesa normalmente a 60 graus e vou tirar o PETG e vou pôr isto. Tentar imprimir uma peça. So, yep. PETG out. Isto são de 20 a 30 euros uma bobina. Dependendo se é PETG, se é PLA, se é flexível. Uma bobina destas, 800 gramas, 20 a 30 euros. É por isso que um gajo inventa estas coisas. Funcionam. That costs a lot, like 20, 30 euros. This costs a lot less, so I'm talking too much. So I'm just gonna feed the machine with this. I'm gonna try and print something. See how it goes. Let me put the thing in the machine. Alright, just gonna feed it to the point where all the PETG is out, and actually this is the one that starts coming out of the nozzle. I'm still at 244 degrees, that's not enough for this kind of material. And I'm gonna print from media. Set it to print, and two things you gotta do. You gotta go to tune, and you gotta set the bed to 65-70 degrees. You set the nozzle to 260 65 and the flow to 150. Why? Because this is a hollow filament, and as it is hollow, if you set the flow to like 100, it will not have enough material to print. So, agora em português, normalmente eu ponho a mesa 65, 70 graus para o filamento 200 e, como eu já disse, 260 a 265. As garrafas verdes precisam de mais temperatura, já me apercebi. As verdes têm que ser 265, às vezes ainda parece pouco. As brancas com 260 já vão bem. Esqueci-me que era outra coisa que eu ia dizer. Não importa. O print flow. O print flow tem de ser aumentado para 200, para 150. O print flow a 100, isto é um filamento de núcleo oco, porque ele não fica totalmente fechado, ele só dobra o fio. Se o print flow estiver a 100 é pouco, às vezes falta material na ponta. O print flow a 150 faz uma impressão bacana. E vou deixar imprimir isso que vou mostrar ou tentar gravar uns quadrinhos ao longo. Ia dizer mais qualquer coisa, mas esqueci-me isto em português e inglês. Just using two languages here. I think I already told you about the print flow. Oh, another thing, important thing. The extruder, it's better if you have a dual gear extruder, because a one gear extruder, as I have right now, I'm about to upgrade it. I've already ordered the other one. But as right now I have the one gear extruder, sometimes it slips and it's not able to push the filament through. Português. O extrusor, aqui esta peça que empurrou o fio, a vermelha, convém ser um extrusor de duas engrenagens. Ele aperta o fio e empurra com mais força. Eu vou fazer o upgrade, já encomendei um dos trastes, está no correio, estou à espera que chegue. É que este extrusor de uma engrenagem só, às vezes ele salta, como é que eu digo, ele escorrega no fio e nem consegue empurrar o fio, porque aquele fio é oco. E então o fio, tipo, amolga, espreme, e ele não empurra. Mas, vamos lá ver. Está imprimindo. Okay, so that's the one gear extruder, not the best for this. I just put some marks there to make sure it is rotating. When I see that the gray pulley is not rotating, I know that it's not feeding the filament. Isto é o extrusor e fiz ali umas marcas, uns risquinhos. É assim, se a roda amarela estiver a redor e a branca, a cinzenta, estiver parada, por isso é que eu fiz os riscos para conseguir ver se ela está a mexer. Se a cinzenta estiver parada, ele não está a empurrar o filamento, logo não está a imprimir. Mas agora ele está a imprimir. Mas este é o problema de ser um extrusor só de uma engrenagem, porque com duas eu penso que isto vai resolver. Isto é uma peça pequena que eu estou a imprimir, por isso eu tenho ali uma pequena parte deste filamento. That's a small part I'm printing, so I just got there a little of that, but I got more here, and I got green one, yeah. And I'm gonna let it print and then I'll show you. Okay, the port is finished, just finished right now. for now. Esta beira à volta é para tirar. So it printed quite nice. So this is what I printed. A thing to keep SD cards. Isto foi o que eu imprimi. The white parts were the white bottle. As partes brancas eram a garrafa branca. E a parte verde era a garrafa verde. I'm printing another one. So I got here parts to make another one. And some moments ago, these were just two old plastic bottles.